Welcome to Glow Kids World.
Hello, kids! Today we will meet amazing snakes and learn their names. Are you ready to explore the world of snakes together? Let's go!
This is a green mamba.
The green mamba is a very long and thin snake with bright green skin. It is one of the fastest snakes and lives in trees in Africa.
This is a tree python.
Tree python is a bright green snake that lives high in the trees. It likes to curl its body around branches and wait quietly for food.
This is a sand boa.
The sand boa is a small snake that likes to hide under the sand. It has a short body and waits quietly to catch its food.
This is a cobra.
Cobra is a snake known for its hood that spreads when it feels danger. It is very famous and one of the most well-known snakes in the world.
This is a corn snake.
Corn snake is a colorful, non-poisonous snake that is safe for people. It is often kept as a pet because it is calm and easy to take care of.
This is an anaconda.
The anaconda is one of the biggest snakes in the world and lives in rivers and swamps. It is very strong and can squeeze its prey before eating it.
This is a python.
Python is a very large snake that lives in forests, grasslands, and rivers. It is not poisonous but uses its strong body to wrap around and catch its prey.
This is a Moorish viper.
The Moorish viper is a venomous snake found in North Africa. It has a strong body and is known for its zigzag patterns on the back.
This is a trinket snake.
Trinket snake is a non-venomous snake from South Asia. It has beautiful brown and black patterns and is often found in forests and fields.
This is a garter snake.
The garter snake is a small, harmless snake often seen in gardens and near water. It eats insects, frogs, and small fish, helping nature stay balanced.
This is a snake eel.
A snake eel is a long, thin fish that looks like a snake but lives in the sea. It hides in the sand and comes out at night to find food.
This is a banded sea kite.
The banded sea kite is a sea snake with black and white stripes, making it look very unique. It is a good swimmer and often hunts fish in the ocean.
This is an albino snake.
An albino snake has white or yellow skin with red eyes because it has no dark color. It looks special and rare, making it different from most other snakes.
This is a carpet python.
A carpet python is a large snake with beautiful patterns on its skin that look like a carpet. It is not poisonous and uses its strong body to wrap around and catch its food.
This is a tiger snake.
A tiger snake is a venomous snake with stripes on its body that look like a tiger. It is very strong and lives mostly in Australia.
This is a boa constrictor.
A boa constrictor is a large snake that squeezes its prey to eat. It is not venomous and can grow very long and strong.
Thanks for watching.